Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. So on this one we are doing another fantastic Ford Transit Custom. So it's a black Ford Transit Custom. This one we're going to be styling. So we've got a number of different bits and pieces to do on this, and this is for John Grose Ford. So don't forget, if you're after a new or used transit van, give them a shout. Link is down below, so have a look on their website. With them and us, we can style it, add any little bits and pieces you might be interested in. So on this one we are fitting some brand new wheels and tyres. We are then also fitting some roof spoilers that go above the rear doors. So these will be painted, lacquered and fitted onto the van. We're taking off the front bumper, doing the front grille surround, which at the moment is in chrome, so we're going to be doing that in a gloss black, just to give the van a bit more of an aggressive look to the front. Just to finish off that aggressive look, we are going to be also adding the lower front bar, which goes bottom of the front bumper. It gives a bit of added protection as well to the bumper area, but also makes the vehicle look more aggressive, which is what we're after. Then moving to the inside of the vehicle. Okay, so on the inside of the vehicle we are removing the gloss black trim. So we've got a couple on the doors and also on the centre console. So we're going to be removing them and then prepping and hydro dipping these in carbon effect. Then all lacquered, polished, fitted back in the vehicle. So stay tuned for all of this. Don't forget to check out John Grose, link down below. Like and subscribe to the channel. Right, let's crack on with the video. Okay, so we've now got the Ford Transit into the workshop, and Peter is already stripping the front bumper off, so we'll have a quick look. Hello pal. Hello mate. So here we are over with Pete. Look, he's got the front bumper off. Just stripping the chrome grills out. A little bit of work involved in this, but Pete makes it look easy, doesn't he, mate? Who wants to come out? Right, we've now got the chrome section off the bumper, so we're going to have a quick look at that. We've also already swapped the wheels on the van, so we'll have a little wander over just to show you the chrome grille. So we've just got it sitting here at the moment. We're just Pete in the background having some food. So we're going to get this all prepped up and done in gloss black. There we go. So it's chrome at the moment. So we'll get that was sanded back and then plastic primered and painted. Just put that back on here out of the way. As you can see, the whole front bumper's all been stripped. Just shows what's behind. We have got the lower bar to go on here as well. Wheels are already swapped over. We'll give you a little bit of more review of them later. Okay, so we've also got our roof spoilers for this van as well. So they're here. So we're just checking to make sure they fit okay, which they do. And then these will be prepped and painted as well. So we're doing the interior trims on this, which is on the door card. So at the moment they're just in black. We've got centre console trims. Okay, and then on the other side door card as well. So these are all going in carbon, in a dark carbon, so they'll look really cool when they're all done. So we'll start stripping them soon. There we go, start getting the bumper bar, the front lower bar on. Is that right, Ed? Ed's just doing some
warming up.
Warming himself up here. Pete's just taking the under tray off. That is beside Adam on the floor. Having a little sleep.
Could have put the pads on, couldn't he?
Oh dear. So I'm getting your good side, Pete.
I've got a good side.
Thought I'd better do a bit of filming with us actually fitting the bar. Right, so the front grille and the roof spoilers are now being all painted. So the front grille has been done in gloss black, as you know that was all chrome, so that's been done in the gloss black colour, and then the roof spoiler has been done in body colour to match the van. So we'll give you a quick view of these now they're all done. So they're now all fully baked off, so we'll be getting them fitted onto the vehicle very, very soon. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. So we've styled these vans before, so I'll put the link above. There's a link to 2 vans that we styled, a grey one and another black one, and also there's the fitting of the roof spoiler video as well. So I'll stick both the links above. Check them out, and we'll give a quick view of these. So here's the what was chrome grille. So like I say, this is now done in a gloss black. And then we have our roof spoilers, so these are body coloured. Okay, all probably look the same sitting in here. You can possibly just pick out the metallic. Just about. So they're all painted. They will be flattened and polished as well. Right, there we go. Okay, so we're just going to go. Okay, so we're just going to go and see Pete, who's now getting the spoilers bonded onto the van. Front grille's all fitted. So we'll have a little look at all of them things. See how he's doing. There we go, front grille all on. Hello, mate. So we're just getting the spoilers all bonded on and lined up. And the tape's there just to hold them in place whilst the bonding agent goes off. Hello, Adam.
Hello there. How are we?
All good, mate, all good.
Good.
What are the trims like to take out, mate? Not too
Not too
bad.
bad.
I think are these the ones you give that magic blow to?
Yeah, ready?
Nearly fell out the van there, didn't you?
Fell at me.
You're gonna fall out the actual van.
Yeah,
Lovely.
that's one out, mate.
There we go, that's that one off the old door, look. You make that look so easy, mate.
Yeah, mate. You know, just comes with experience. Really,
Years of practice, doesn't it?
know, yeah.
Lovely.
Right.
On to the next one.
Other side. Follow me. Follow me. And here. And the other side. And the other side.
So we've got our spoilers on, look, we're just going to take the tape off. They're on nicely. So they'll just need a polish up. That's the roof spoilers all done as well. The wheels are looking good. We'll give a little view of them. Look. Make a big difference with the upgraded wheel package we do. There we go, Adam's on the next one. Pretty nice on the interiors on the vans now, and they're on the old Transit Customs. A lot nicer.
You think they were just a car, really, wouldn't you?
I think you would nowadays. They do look rather nice. But even better with the carbon fibre look interior.
Oh yeah. Oh, there we go.
Active removal click. There we go.
Just a little
Was that a suck or a blow?
That was more of a blow. Definitely a blow. Right, so we got them two out.
There we go, then onto the interior.
This big area here to strip out.
There we go. Yeah.
Don't know if you know much about this area here, but we're going to strip it out.
That's the central area.
Well, it's a very central area.
There we go, look, just removing the screen. There's a few screws. Adam's done his screwing, hasn't you, mate?
Just a bit of screwing, just a bit of clipping.
Here we have Inspector Fraser. Come to inspect some things.
You make the TV fall off.
You made the TV fall off.
Oh.
Here comes James as well, look.
They're all coming now,
everyone's
aren't
round
they?
here.
It's like buses.
It's like,
Alright, mate, really?
like council workers, look.
Oh, there we go. Putting the gas now, aren't we?
Lovely.
Oh.
Soup.
Still in it.
Superb. Couple of little plugs there, mate. Couple of little plugs.
Can you just pass me my wire cutters?
Yeah, hang on. I'll just stop the camera and I'll get them for you.
Yeah, pass them over, mate. We've never done it. We don't
There we go. Last couple of wires to disconnect.
Oh.
No cutting required, Ad?
Nah, we haven't really cut
No.
them, have we? We haven't really cut them.
All disconnected. There we go.
Lovely job. Just
Lovely.
got to strip all these bits out,
Yep.
and then we'll be
Prep
laughing.
it. Prep all them bits. Bit of dark grey. Hello? Bit of dark grey in colour. And then we're ready to hydro flip and a dippin'.
Really, the hard
And some carbon. Hello.
Hello, James.
Horny little devil.
Horny, horny, horny.
So here we go, here's a few of our Hydro Dip finishes and our different colours, so some of our custom colours and wheel colours. There we go, come down, look at that, there we go. Show a few of the Hydro Dip finishes. If there's anything like this that is of interest to you, don't forget, give us a shout. Check out our website, Black Stag Styling, and of course our AW Smart Repairs website for all of our Hydro Dip and painted finishes, and let's see what we can do to help. Let's be different. Okay, so Ad is now primering the panels. No, actually he's not primering, no, he's not primering, he's painting them in the grey. So he's already put a plastic primer on, now painting them in the dark grey, ready to be hydro dipped in the carbon. So just have a look at the trims. Made a lovely job of these, there we go. So they're now in the grey. That's your centre console trim. And then the two door card trims, there we go. So all going in carbon fibre effect for the gloss lacquer. Giveaway. So for our next giveaway we're going to be giving away 2 t-shirts. They're black or the grey. So yeah, like and subscribe. As soon as we hit 750 subscribers we'll do that next giveaway. 2 t-shirts, 2 different people. So get subscribing. Thanks very much. Right, we're now getting the last bits fitted of the Hydro Dip trims, aren't we, Adam?
Last bits, we get the first bits in.
Or first
We haven't
bits.
put it in yet. No? This is technically the first bits.
First bits, not the last bits.
Let's go, right.
Here we
Little
go.
something like this, look.
Giving them a polish. Thank you, Adam.
My buddy James is behind you. He's giving them a little polish for us. Oh, where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Right, yeah, just check we're getting sort of lined up here.
Well done, pal.
Don't know why that doesn't really want to go in.
Done a lovely job with the Hydro Dipper, mate. That looks a treat.
A little bit here that slipped up from behind.
Be careful. Have you greased that, lubed it up?
Yep. Oh, did you hear that? Click of satisfaction.
That was a positive click, wasn't it? Lovely, look at that.
Mate. Let's do it all again, shall we? Because it was so much fun. Still doing on the other side.
I think so. I'll see you on the other side. He's a silly boy. There he is.
I went a long way, mate.
You did, didn't you? A long way round. You went the stupid way round.
Yeah, a little bit. Right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, young Adam is now putting in the centre console
Oh,
in
wait.
his fish.
Here we go.
Put the centre console
Put it
in.
here. Right. Got a lot of plugs, Alex. A lot of plugs. I don't know if it need them all, really.
Has he been practising again? Been practising, mate?
Yeah.
Getting your plug in?
Yeah, I just kept plugging in the lamp at home and unplugging it, plugging it in and plugging it all weekend.
All weekend?
All weekend.
So you should be a pro at it then?
Yeah. The light of my life
absolute
it is.
expert.
The old light of my life.
You're doing a lovely job there. So Adam has already got all the vents and everything in, as you can probably see.
I had a right old event.
I think we've done that joke. We say we've done that joke
doesn't do it.
in a previous video.
It doesn't get old, does it?
I thought you were going to switch it up a
Switch
gear.
it up, yeah,
There we go.
We were going to switch it.
We were going to switch it up a gear. And now Adam is what's he doing? Pushing the centre console in.
Pushing it in, mate. No, don't want to go. To be honest. Oh, there you go.
Oh, that's a positive click. We like positive clicks.
Oh, mate.
Superb, looking good.
Hazard light works. So it's missing something. It's missing. Oh,
So we just got to get the screen in. Don't scream. Ta-da! There we go. One screen to go in. Is it not working?
Oh, I've got a couple of screws to put in the
Oh, and a couple of screws as well. Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our latest video. So as you know, in this one we have been styling another Ford Transit custom van. This is another one for John Grose Ford in Ipswich. These vans of course are available through Ipswich and Lowestoft John Grose branches, so get in contact with them if any of this is of interest to you. So it's a brand new 70 plate van. We've done a number of bits and pieces to this just to make it hopefully look a lot more stylish and up to date. So we've done the chrome front grille, that's been out and done in gloss black and all refitted. We have also changed the wheels, so we've got rid of the standard silver alloy wheels and fitted some Sportline gloss black wheels, just making it look more aggressive now. Obviously new tyres on there as well because they're a bigger wheel. We've also done the lower front bar, which sits below the front bumper like a Sportline sort of bar. It makes the front of the van look bigger and lower, but also gives a bit of protection to the front, so that's a nice extra little a bit added on. We've also done the roof spoilers on the back doors, so they've been prepped and body coloured in the black and then fitted onto the back doors of the van, again just adding that sporty finish. And a little touch on the inside, like we've done on the previous vans we've done. So on this one we've taken out all the interior trims that were gloss black, and they've now been done in a carbon fibre effect with a gloss lacquer, so it just makes the interior look a bit like carbon fibre. And that's it, so we're giving it a wash. It's now ready to go back to John Grose Ford in Ipswich. This is one of their demo vans, so if you're interested, get in contact with them. Like I said, it's the commercial department at Ipswich or Lowestoft. Give them a shout, and you can probably have a look at this van, take it for a test drive, and maybe you may be interested in buying one and having some custom work done by ourselves at Black Stag Styling. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. Much appreciated for checking out the video. Turn on the notifications, that way you can stay fully up to date. We've got more giveaways and bits and pieces as well, so you can be involved in all of that, and we will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.